Hello and welcome to this evening's edition of E-Prime. I'm Crystal. Dancehall star Mr. Easy is returning to the local scene after reaping much success with his 2016 hit Bashment Gal. The artist this time releasing his single titled Privacy, produced by Hotta Ball. The single is said to have an infectious rhythm and is garnering attention worldwide after a recent feature on The Shade Room and World Star Hip Hop. Mr. Easy's career spans over 15 years and he continues to reinvent himself and his music to maintain a connection with fans of all ages. The Billboard standings are out and reggae crooner Chronixx is sitting comfortably for the second week in the #1 spot with his full-length project Chronology still receiving rave reviews. Revolution's falling into place is at #2, while Morgan Heritage's Abracadabra now holds the #11 spot, up from 13. Ziggy Marley's self-titled album sits at #12. Fourth Jenna artist Governor is determined to reach the pinnacle of his career. The artist, who recently shared the Sumfest stage with Idonia, is marking some high points in his career.
So we're just there doing the work and putting in the promotion and just giving thanks for everything we're going in the street right now. No complaining with #1 in Trinidad, in Dominica, in Zambia, in Ghana. You get me, I say everything Governor also went #1 in Trinidad. You get me, I say, so that's going on great. I was recently in Trinidad January and did so great that by end of next month I have a show there again. Barbados October. I think Canada not confirmed as it, but should be confirmed soon. England and some gigs in the States later down this year. We just put out music really and truly. We don't really do whole but nothing.
Governor putting in the work and he tells us what to expect.
We're pushing Happy, you know. I'm currently pushing a new single recently released named Gal Clone and the Jenna Bounce with him. You know what I mean? Going on great, you know what I mean? Great reviews. Maybe I can look for the EP later this year or early next year. You know I mean, we have got EP before we got album, you know what I mean? Stepping stones, you know what I mean? So we have got EP first and then got album, the big album after. We have Trillani, we have St. Mary will come from. So a lot of shows, man, a lot of things. We can't really keep track of everything right now.
On the international scene, New York rapper Kendrick Lamar is leading the MTV Video Music Award nominations. The rapper has secured 8 nominations, including Video of the Year, Artist of the Year, and Best Hip-Hop Music Video. Other nominees include Katy Perry, The Weeknd, and Rihanna. The 2017 VMAs will take place on August 27 in Inglewood, California. And that's it for this evening's edition of E-Prime. I'm Crystal. Thanks for watching.